It's Connor. It's 7:20 in the morning. We left Jason at the house today. It's me and Jeremie and Landon going to move a ramp for Honda. It's getting refurbed, and they called us, asked if we could tow it, and we said absolutely. So that's where we're going to go. We'll see you down there. Is that steering straight?
Straight as a wet noodle. Get a 20-foot chain. Yep.
So we had to hook the winch up because forklift that he's pushing it with didn't have enough power to get it up the ramp. So we got the winch for some extra help. Gonna work. 9. Got a little problem.
Here, move that 2x4 on the other side in front of the tire, Landon. There you go. This side the 2x4 on the opposite. Try to get it up on that board as much as you can. Lift up. Grab that metal.
Got the front end up. Got it up on the trailer. Strap down. Everything seems to be good over here. Good in the hood. They're just putting a few more chains on. And take your own back.
So we split off. We're gonna run back, get a roll back, and we're gonna shoot back over to the house, help him drop it, and we'll catch you back there.
All right, so we made it to the place. I didn't record because my phone was in the truck, but we got it all. Everything went pretty good. Better than it did going up, but she's off, and we're gonna get this ramp off, and then should be good. Yeah.
Got the ramp dropped off here at his house in Bettsville. The gentleman said he's going to give us a call in about 3 to 4 weeks. We got to take it back down to Marysville, and then we're going to pick up another one to bring back to his house so he can refurb that one, and then we'll take that one back down. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.